What's up, guys? Luckside coming to you here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Want to talk to you a little bit about today how to be successful in crypto, right? Whether you're new, you're old, you've never invested in crypto, or you have a huge portfolio, right? There are certain things that you should do to ensure that you are successful. So the very first thing that you should do is do your own research, right? There's tons of projects across the space, varying utility. They do different things, different devs, different teams, some doxed, some not. So some are open to the public. Some of them are hidden behind a shroud of mystery, right? So you really need to take time to understand what you are going to be putting your money into. The next thing I would recommend is don't invest more than you are willing to lose. I've made this mistake a bunch of times, definitely dove in a little further than I should. I mean, it's not hard to do when you get excited about something, right? You know, that elusive chance of hitting it big and making just millions of dollars, right? It's very exciting. But you got to remember, there is volatility in crypto. There's going to be ups, there's going to be downs. So you got to be sure that you have the stomach for it. So again, don't put in more than what you are willing to lose. Now, the third thing is have a plan. So whether you're going to be doing short-term trading, long-term holding, holding on to things for a very long period of time, just, as like your retirement plan and stuff like that, you need to know what your plan is going to be. You have to have it written down. You got to know what you're going to be entering at, what you're going to be exiting at. There's not really much else to say on that. You got to just be smart about it. Make sure your plan is a good plan. So again, do lots of studying, do lots of chart reading, stuff like that to have a good idea of what that is going to be. And the last thing I would suggest is, again, do your research. I cannot stress it enough. You have to continue to do research. Even someone like myself, who's been in the crypto market, going on a while now, right? There's still always more that I can learn. So even when you've been in for a certain period of time and you feel like you know everything you need to know, you don't. Continue to learn, do research. That's the best thing you can do. It's the greatest way to have a good taste in your mouth when it comes to crypto, because it's an ever-changing space. There's new stuff coming out all the time. There's new teams, new coins, new devs, new types of technology, right? And you need to make sure that you are up to date on everything, because it is a landscape that is ever changing and ever evolving as the world moves forward. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button, that subscribe, also hit the little bell. That way you'll know when we have videos go live on the channel, and there's going to be more great content coming your way. Make sure you stay informed so that you can have luck on your side like me, and I look forward to going on this journey with you.